Hi there, welcome to another edition of myABCdad, a place where we can learn together. My name is Craig and this here is
Elliot.
And today Elliot turns 6, a big day for him. And I have an action leaf to present to him, and then we have a few activities to do with it. So we hope you join us for that, and let's get started. Okay, here's what I wrote, okay? I've said Elliot and January 5th, 2017. And I say, Elliot, it is your 6th birthday today. Just the other day, Mom asked you what you would like to eat for dinner and dessert. You chose pasta for dinner. For dessert, you chose carrot cake, explaining that you chose it because then I would enjoy having some as well. Usually I do not eat dessert, but carrot cake is my favorite. Elliot, you can be very proud of your willingness to think about others and doing so even when it is your big day. Bravo and happy birthday, Dad. Okay? So now while you're coloring in your design for your action leaf, you've got three choices. This is called the word size graph. So you can decide if you'd like to find all words with 2 letters, all words with 3 letters, 4 letters, 5 letters, or 6 letters. And you can choose to do 3 of them. Okay? So there's that, or there's something called the word graph. And then the final choice is called the letter graph. And this one, again, I write down what I've typed. And then there is 6 letters, S, A, T, P, I, and N, or S, A, T, P, I, N. And then again, you can choose 3 of those letters, and then you can search for those letters in the message. Which one would you like to work with today?
Where's the letter?
This is the letter graph. Okay, we'll do the letter graph today then. Okay? Another thing that you can do when you're writing, Elliot, to help make it easy to read is you can put a finger just after the last word. You see that?
Yeah.
So it says, Mom asked you what you, and then I am right what you would. So I need that one. So if I put a finger space there, then what that does is it helps me leave space between the words. Period.
What's a period?
A period marks the end of a sentence. So it's a collection of words that mean something. So that sentence was, you chose pasta for dinner. And then that collection of words forms a sentence that's finished. So you finished your design here, and I finished printing in the message. Why don't you tell everybody out there what you colored? What was your design? You were just explaining it to me. What was it? Slides all over your leaf, and it looks really colorful, all those slides, and they look really fun too. I quite like this slide here, that one. Whoa! All the way from the top to the bottom. Now we need to decide which letters you would like to search to find. Which ones? You choose 3 of them.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got a green S, blue T, and red N. Which one would you like to find first? Shall we start with the first one? The S. So we use the green pen to search for all the S's, and whenever you see an S, you circle it. Now, what could you do to make sure that you don't miss any? What's a strategy you could use to make sure? Okay, right. So you could just point to the words and the letters. It's from the top. Nice strategy. That's a really good idea. Okay. Elliot. It is, there's an S. Your, there's an S, sixth. Even when it is your big day. Bravo and happy birthday. Okay, so now we need to count how many S's we found. What could we do to count and keep track of what we've counted? You want to cross through? Okay, 1,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 18, 19, 20.
And I think we missed one right here in dessert.
21.
Okay, lovely. So now, what shall we do to show that we've got each S? What could we do? Just a circle? Something quick? Okay. So we need to count up to 21. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 19, 20, 21.
and there we go. Oh, a T at the end of
Elliot.
Elliot. And then it is your 6th.
Birthday.
2, and you help to make sure I don't miss any, okay? 3, 4,
5, 9, 30.
uh-oh. 31,
32.
2, 33. So what are we gonna do? Keep going?
I don't know.
I've got an idea. Watch this. 28, 29, 30. And then I'll go back. 31, 32, 33. To think
About others.
about others and doing 20,
20, 21, and 22.
Okay, so I've got a couple questions here for you. Of the 3 letters that you chose, which one did we find the most for in the message? What letter is that again?
T.
And what sound does it make? Do you remember? It's the t. Lovely. And which came second? What was in second place?
N.
N. And do you remember the sound for N?
N.
That's right. N. And the action is like a plane. Your arms out on both sides, flying like a plane. And what came in last place? The S. You're right, the letter S. So that is our very first letter graph. You did a lovely job. Your counting was brilliant. And you know what I noticed? Is that when we were reading at the beginning there, and I was reading the words as you were pointing to them, you were starting to see some of the words, and you were reading them because they appeared many times in the writing. So well done. You're becoming a reader. Okay, that concludes our video session today of Dad presenting an action leaf to Elliot on his birthday. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit www.myabcdad.com if you would like to download any of the resources that you've seen. Okay, so we hope to see you soon, and goodbye.